it is so on Adom TV, which are live on Facebook and so access Adom TV, YouTube and so yeah Adom TV. Alapa me chia bisa sempa chompom ete say asebidika ebre and asumidin de akwasi insia. Alapa yese toa Centio Refinery and sesem no eso. Ye bom wa kopise penfo be acte. Medical catch us se baby a yesi refinery no. Ensuo pa ehon ne tai ti poto ka se friend wetland. Wetland and a baba chiro mema empirical evidence. Sena na ehonum etie ansana yesi refinery no. And somewhere EPA aka entokwa TDC any EPA ako e was Central Refinery no eho. Pacho mama ni ahe TV ni mame so Facebook so a. Hesie mama na menchire wade before I started Central Refinery no say another honum etie. Abechire wade after this area view of New Town, baby, a refinery no. Draw ye kwatwa ye no. After bro ko send na area na yes refinery na nkasa no na etie eni. To trofo no se me dance ni wa abrochire. We ni akire. No mo fi enya video no. Eti on TV ni so say ena na honum etie. Esuo twefam, ensuo pa ehon na tai, eya furo emu. Yeah, EPF nim de no nhye no eka yenya property say bi e wo ho EPF se mo kan ayamienu se 1 e bentimamfo e ben residential area 2 e ya from e ya wetland ye project say one mo a enya adwuma to show TV ne so a Chemu Lagoon no e ho enenam Timu amwo tema ene patamu no Chemu Lagoon no sabe bi esi Central Refinery eho ene nam eti Mr President me se na no ma abufu ohene ya wan sori anyina for national anthem ena no akofiri bai on Ghana for kasa ma kwa to yakoma so ne abaye twia piesi ano de bia. We know how to revive the economy but we don't know how to revive dead people. Mr President na nado dan Akufo-Addo Energy Minister Dr. Matthew Pokupempe. It is so yet Nancy Ayenshine, ama Samboni Etsi, and Sunny Akojina Manfo so akatom say, Abaya sorry, Monka fra, Ababa from the Biadi Abua, a day. Oria Kokofu, and a year Executive Director, Edema Environmental Protection Agency. 2021 on this City TV, Eddie Komo, about refinery na yesi. New Town. Okay.
In this particular case that you're talking about, yes, we found it not to be compatible with the area, the location. So even though we are yet to communicate our findings and find out, once you ask me, yes, the possibility that we will not grant it is quite high. Given the evidence available to us. Yeah. That is the new EPA that you're seeing, the new phase of EPA. We are currently asserting ourselves and then making the laws work. All other agencies or some agencies may, out of their own regulations and guidelines, agree to certain things. But when it comes to EPA, we look at a wider perspective. We look at so many things, and if it does not meet our standards and requirements, then we must as well refuse. And refusal means refusal. If EPA does not permit you or the entity that you go ahead to do against our requirement, the laws are there. We take you to. Okay,
eti meyena City TV for Asem. Asem ya Honorable Kokofu ekan okan 2021. Shadie January 17th, 2022. And a story ebae. Location of Central Oil Refinery project is a time bomb. EPA. And this time, you Kokofu a technical director. You're EPA and a Asem way. The location of the Central Oil Refinery project, according to the Environmental Protection Agency, is a serious threat and time bomb to the lives of people living at Tema New Town, suburb in the Tema metropolis. This became known to the EPA after its site inspection and screening of the project in 2019, which showed that the proposed location was a wetland and a buffer zone, hence unsuitable for any form of development. This revelation was made by Mr. Kojo Agbeno Efunam, the acting director of petroleum at the EPA, during his presentation on the project at the end of year conference and dinner of the International Association of Impact Assessment Ghana, held on Thursday, 13 January 2022 in Accra. I'm going to quotations na me pay. Okay. Share quotations are as many pan the kind no any actually dia share at the crem. Tie quotation no. Or see, it is like you are placing a bomb or about Central Friend na yesterday Tema New Town no. Tie asma EPA penny pano a technical officer no eka. It is like you are placing a bomb very close to the people, and anytime something goes wrong and there's a blast, you are going to wipe out almost everybody. As more than a new quartet at his grave above a kind no. Set here another quote. As far as we are concerned, the place is not suitable, though the planning authorities have given the development permit to the company as well as an authorization to clear the land with or without a permit. You can't say more. You'll be free to say you a time for. I mean, say, Adia China, Nino, a year to my new town. President Adom Dan Kwakufado, what to quit to you know, say, Nadia, China for my prema side, we see go omukrum. Now, I him Guasia Satua, my Ghana. So the Minkum, a brand call. TDC locks horns with the EPA over siting of Central Oil Refinery at wetland in Tema. It affects TDC, no. Minim interest at TDC, I was Central Refinery, no emu. EPA airport Yamania catches a baby a yes refinery, no, and one money. And so a tie. Two, baby oil refinery, no, I want no, a bay a man for the door, Asem Sia, a big kunipa 1 million now. But TDC forced there be, you bet me see. What is the special interest of Tema Development Corporation? I was Central Refinery, yes, no. Energy Minister. And Thomas was about the bonnet. Dr. Matthew Opoku Pepe, you made ye Esha say it is under your supervision when I am sector minister and trust him somebody see as a body. Ya tatu aye say yana sinipe wa because me say politician ni bi anto ho. Akufo no banto ho na po banto ho etinyo obi asem. Because you see the Adjumeba, and the Adjumeba never could pump pim, and no catches over 500 houses and what my new town. Baby, I yes refinery no. Kakrebe dinti. Ye to yamana China. Ye ku ye ni enko. President Kufado. So on to you. We did the acquisition your china. E be sa to aso. Be see evidence upon evidence. And the bribe bankophobia tria. Be show videos e dey achiro. Pama yin kwamna sante, and e be jafo. E tenase.